In this video, we'll show you how to replace the air charge temperature sensor on your Subaru Baja. This is located in the front of the vehicle and right in front of the airbox. Let's get started. Looking towards the center of the engine bay, we find the airbox. On the front of the airbox, we have an electrical connector. We'll press in on the tab up towards the top. We can pull out on the electrical connector. It's always good to check your terminals for any damage or corrosion. Those look okay. To remove the sensor, it's as easy as holding on to the box, keep it steady, pull out on the sensor. And go ahead and get the sensor started in. You're going to make sure that's fully seated in the grommet. Get the electrical connector back in. You're going to make sure that's fully seated as well. I'm not going to pull back off the sensor. Start up the vehicle and make sure you don't have a check engine light. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.